Hi, I'm Lachlan from Kashy, and today we're going to talk about hubcaps. If your car's a few years old, or you bought the base trim level, then your car probably came with steel wheels. Steel wheels are super strong and super durable, but they are pretty ugly from factory, which is why most people fit hubcaps. However, if you like driving by feel, like Aaron, the owner of this Hyundai, then there's a fair chance that your hubcaps will get pretty mangled up, like this. The easiest way to sort this out is to just buy a new set. They're reasonably cheap and they're available at all parts stores. We've picked up this set from Supercheap. Grab your new hubcap out of the package and then install the clip ring as instructed. To remove the hubcaps, just grab behind the spoke and give it a gentle tug. When installing the hubcap, make sure the little cutout notch lines up with the tyre pressure valve and then just hammer it in. Then you just need to repeat the process for each corner. That's how to change the hubcaps on any car. Thanks again, I'm Lachlan from Kashy.